I hate the idea of having to squat down and piss in the bushes when I'm outside because I know it goes in every Shih Tzu dog freedom American flag shirt. I spent 2 weeks in Uganda having to use long drops in bushes. I pissed on my ankles more times than I would have liked and had to piss really slowly otherwise. It'd be even more mayhem. Shih Tzu dog freedom American flag shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Tank top, V-neck, Shih Tzu dog freedom American flag shirt. Sweatshirt, hoodie. I just hope we don't lose too much and too many. I'm a student of history and love learning about stuff like your language. Centuries of history is something incredible to be around. The oldest history I have Shih Tzu dog freedom. American flag shirt old at best public spaces not being clean is something I'm used to Americans. Talk a big game, but they're just as messy as anyone else. Anything would be worth it to see and experience cities that have been around for centuries. I actually studied law, but I'm far more other product.